Greetings and welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to jailbreak iOS 10.3.3 or 10.3.4 with Kokeshi 10 or KokeshiX Jailbreak. This supports any device that is running iOS 10.3.3 or 10.3.4 like iPhone 5, iPhone 5C or this iPad4. The method shown in this video, along with the Kokeshi 10 or KokeshiX Jailbreak, is completely free and legit. So first things first, you will have to get this IPA for the Kokeshi 10 jailbreak. You will find it in the description or in the pinned comment. Now to install it onto your device, you can use sideloadly. Sideloadly is also completely free. You can simply go to its official website and then hit this download button and then get it from here for your Windows computer. You can also get it for Mac OS. On your Windows computer, you will have to install iTunes and iCloud from these official given links. Now simply attach your device via USB cable and then open sideloadly and then simply tap this IPA button. Simply select the Kokeshi 10 jailbreak IPA that you have got and then hit open. Then simply type your Apple ID here and then hit the start button. If you're doing this for the very first time, it will ask you for your password for your Apple ID. So please put it in and then you will see the process will start. Alright, so once the process is complete, you will see done here and the app will appear on your home screen. Now you can close out of sideloadly. Now to open this app for the first time, you will have to go to settings and then go to general. Now simply scroll down in general and you will see device management here. Tap on it and then trust the app that you have installed. When you trust the app, make sure that Wi-Fi is connected. Once done, now you can simply open the app. Now you can simply hit the jailbreak button above and wait for the process to complete. You will see this message, hit done. Now you will see this message, jailbreak successful. Press OK to reload system. Press OK. Now at this point, your device will respring. And once you're back after the respring, you should see Cydia on your home screen. Now you can open Cydia. And I want to show you the version first. So 10.3.3 iPad 4. Now guys, as you can see, everything is working as intended. Changes, sources installed, everything is working just fine. I will update the packages. So as you can see, no errors whatsoever. Alright guys, that's all for this video. If you still have anything to ask, please ask in the comment section. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.